What would it be like for a nature man and machine union of in vivo CRISPR-Cas9 enzyme DNA repair longevity cross species plus cybergenetics cloaked shield garment Starlink V3 Neuralink 8 augmented reality heads up display Danish O2 absorption crystal spaceflight Iron Man wingsuit powered by the power source from my real life sci-fi tech power source video. It would result with a machine augmented consciousness and a constant stream of information flowing directly to the brain. The traditional sense of a singular self would dissolve. The user would live as a complex networked entity, a symbiotic union of nature, person, and machine. Check out this video and others on my channel at Ionwo3146. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want. Over and out.